Right, so I'm on the boat down in Cardiff Bay, looking out at the that is the Cardiff Barrage in the distance, and you'll see on the right is Penarth Marina. And today is supposed to be blowing, or Storm Eunice, I think it's called, with winds up to 100 miles an hour. First time had a red warning, weather warning in Wales. So yeah, you can see that the water is, or the wind is, the boat sideways. They're on this side, and the water's being picked up and thrown. There aren't that many waves in Cardiff Bay, and that's Cardiff Docks. The distance, if I stop moving this camera, that's Cardiff Docks. Yeah, tankers and so on come in. Fuel dumps or whatever they're called. And my wind vane is going round nicely, charging up the batteries, so they should be fully charged today. And you can see the wind now pushing the front of the boat backwards and forwards. The wind is coming down from the River Taff, and I'm snug in the boat. It was tipping down earlier on today, and there was sheets of rain flying across. Has come out, but there's still a bit of wind. It's not certainly not 100 miles an hour. Been about 30, I would have thought. Yep. So Cardiff Bay in the storm on the 18th of what was it? February 2020.